You really can hear like tons of things in your stomach when you do this.
There it is. It's like really in the background. Okay, that's the heartbeat.